Okay, so once you download the app, this is what it's going to look like, a purple world. We opened it up. Make sure it has your name on it. And now, as we go down a little bit, it says Start Voice Analysis. This is how you're going to send me your voice. We will get to that next. We have 2 boxes underneath. That's going to be empty because you haven't done that yet. Now, import Quanta code. There's 2 ways to download your frequencies. This is one way. I'm going to show you an easier way. Okay, now you have 2 free complimentary playlists, chakras and solfeggios. You can listen to those anytime you want. If you scroll down, make sure it has my name at the bottom because it shows we're connected. You can even send me messages this way. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see how you send me your voice and picture. This is Start Voice Analysis. Hit Activate Voice Scan. Now, when you tap that record button, it's going to start recording right away. You need to say A-E-I-O-U over and over again until the timer runs out. There it is, 13 minutes. So you got to start right away. And all you're going to do is say A-E-I-O-U until that gets to 0. You got to be ready to start saying your vowels immediately. When that runs out, it just goes back to this. But scroll underneath, and this is where you're going to send me a picture. Oh, it does not have filters. Hit Take Picture. And what I found is that if your face is towards the bottom, very often it doesn't fit in the box. So we can say, oh, this picture is horrible. I want to retake the picture. You're just going to do it again. Hit that photo button. There we go. And so now my face is higher up in the box. So once I like it, I'll just hit Use Photo, and there I am. I am done with my photo. From here, I have 2 choices. I can analyze energies or send to practitioner. Send it to practitioner. You are done. Okay, now the next part is I have to do the work on my end, and I will then send you your frequency blend or playlist. You know when the frequencies arrive because you'll get a notification on your phone and you'll also get an email. So when you get that notification on your phone, just open up the app again, and this is how you're going to get the frequencies in your app. Open up your app, start at the home page, look at the 3 lines on the top left, open them up, and hit My Pending Playlists. This is what I have for me. So if you click on Expand, there it is. You will then see all of the frequencies that are in that playlist. If you click on Import, that will bring all those frequencies into your app. And there it is. You can see it right now. And to play it, I'm going to click on that, and then I can see all of those frequencies again. But see the bubble to the right? It's not darkened in. It's not selected. So what I'm going to do is hit Select All, and I can also then change the time. I can go to 0, which is really infinity. It'll play forever. I can do all of these minutes all the way down to 30 minutes if I wanted to. But right now, let's start with 15. Okay, so I hit 15. Now I have a toggle over here on my right, and that I can turn on and off. I'll show you, once you hit play, if the toggle is on, you'll have these visuals to support the frequencies. If you don't want that, just turn it off, and when you play, you'll have this picture, which doesn't do too much, and you'll have the bells and jingles. It's kind of loud, so you can put that down. You don't have to hear it, and you can put the volume down as much as you want. Okay, so if I close out of this by mistake, then it'll stop, right? So I just closed out, so I can just hit play and I can start it again with no problem. So let it go for 15 minutes. You don't have to look at the screen. And that is it. That's how you use the app. You know, if you have any questions, you are always welcome to ask, and we'll get you all figured out so you can use this. Okay, thanks so much. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.